All right, weather tonight. We've got this rain moving on to the Texas coast, and we're going to be seeing a blanket of precipitation. In fact, most of this Wednesday that's coming tomorrow is going to be covered with rainfall. Going to show you the hour by hour and where the greatest flood threat's going to be tomorrow and even into Thursday, because the flood watch is going to go for more than 24 hours, closer to 36. Let's head outside tonight. Here on the hill, a breezy night. In fact, Old Glory kind of wrapped around the flagpole because the winds were getting so gusty out there. And did you know today, June 18th, this is the anniversary of the beginning of the War of 1812. Significant because it was during that war that the Star-Spangled Banner was written in 1814. All right, 82 feels like 86. The tropical air's in place. There goes Old Glory, right on cue when I was talking about the Star-Spangled Banner. How about that? All right, rain bands are still across the western Gulf, not seeing that good counterclockwise closed circulation. That's why we still don't have Alberto, which we could still see. It's still expected to happen before landfall sometime late tomorrow night. Now today, we did see some of these isolated showers make it this far west. Few isolated spots across Bexar County, a little more measurable near Victoria, Goliad. Just the leading edge. It'll start picking up tomorrow. I'll show you the hour by hour, but here's what we've got on, again, potential tropical cyclone number 1. Winds are at 40, starting to take that northwest turn at about 7 miles per hour. And again, still just too disorganized. You're not seeing that closed circulation. Now here's the rainfall. Once again, this has been shifted a little farther south with rainfall totals in the San Antonio area ranging between 2 to 3 inches. Some spots across southern Bexar County down to Atascosa, Frio could get upwards of 4 to 4.5 inches. And then the rain totals fall off quick once we get to the Texas Hill Country. And that's why they are not included in the flood watch that begins tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. But San Antonio, New Braunfels, Seguin, everyone south on 35 and I-37 will be under this watch for a pretty long period of time because we're expecting this wave of rain to continue in. Now, I looked at the two models we trust the most, and they're just about 2 hours apart from each other. One's got the rain starting at 10 a.m., the other's got the rain starting at about noon hour. Let me roll this back again. You can see that the leading edge, and I'm going with the one that begins early, by about 10 a.m. So tomorrow morning rush hour is dry, cloudy, maybe an isolated shower or sprinkle. But the main rain begins around midday as far as the heavy rain. And then you can see how it goes a little bit more scattered as we head into Thursday. So here's the updated rain totals, close to 2.5 to 3 inches for San Antonio in the metro, 3.5 down Highway 90. You can see it falls off quick to only about 2 inches for Del Rio, 1.5 inches to closer to 2 at Kerrville. This would be really nice for Medina Lake if they could get 2 to 2.5 inches of rain. And then the 4 to 4.5 reserved for communities well down to our south. Winds are a factor as well. Once we get to tomorrow, look at those wind speeds gusting 25 to 30 plus for a good 24 hours. I mean, not until Thursday night at this hour will we start seeing those winds begin to die down. All right, unpacking the 7-day forecast. 100% chance of rain on Juneteenth. 82. We will expect those northeast winds to go 20 to 25, the occasional gust near 30, and then an 80% chance of rain tomorrow night. I think it gets to more of a scattered rain, but these will be isolated pockets that'll drop a lot of rain. 86 on the high for Thursday. Then we really see rain chances drop. Now, Friday and Saturday's forecast as we wrap up this week, and by the way, begin summer. Remember, the summer solstice is Thursday, so the first Friday and Saturday of summer will have these isolated rain chances as temperatures begin warming back up. So we're closer to seasonal average on Saturday, 92. Even into Sunday, can't rule out just an isolated shower at a 10% chance, and then mid-90s heading into Monday, Tuesday. By the way, by Monday and Tuesday of next week, another system expected to develop in the same spot, southern Gulf of Mexico, that we'll be looking at this time next week. Nate?